Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
Good evening to you. If you are considering headed out to the Green Jackets game tonight, well, other than being late at this point, weather-wise, it looks pretty good for doing that out there. No rain for Evans, Augusta, over into Aiken. In fact, the only rain in the entire area is over in eastern Barnwell County. There's Barnwell there, Yale. Right there in the Hilda community, we do have some rain just to the north of town for the most part. Hutto's Chapel Road right there, Jones Road, Collins Avenue, all that coming together right there just to the north of Hilda, but that's it in terms of rain across our area tonight. Some showers along the coast, but that's mainly because of the sea breeze. Those showers are not going to head in our direction. In fact, rain chances are going to shrink in a pretty big hurry as we head into the weekend. That swirl in the atmosphere right there, that's an upper level low that this time last night was parked right over in this area here where you got all that very, very heavy rain last night across Columbia County over into Edgefield and Aiken County. But things are a lot drier tonight, and that will be a trend rather as we head on through the weekend. Storm spotter reports today were very impressive. This is mostly since midnight. 3.5 inches of rain reported by Karen Ann and Evans. Almost 4 inches of rain reported by Doug and Justin there in Martinez. As you headed to the south, though, rain was a little lighter. Carl reported 1/2 inch of rain in New Ellington. Over into Wagner, 1/2 inch of rain, and it was soggy last night in Aiken. Dora and Proctor reported about 1 3/8 of an inch of rain over that way. Around the CSRA, some areas got no rain at all over the past 24 hours. That was the case in Louisville, down into Swainsboro, but anywhere you see the green on the map, the light green is 1 inch or more. The darker green, that is where up to 3 inches of rain fell in a 24-hour period. And that's why those flash flood watches were issued early this morning. Forecast headlines through the weekend offer weather drying out, and as a result, we'll be warming up. There could be a stray weekend thunderstorm in the afternoon, but for the most part, dry weather will take us through the weekend. And we're seeing dry weather on our tower cam tonight. Right now, 81 degrees, a few fair weather cumulus clouds in the sky. Winds mainly from the north today at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. In Barnwell, you had a shower a little while ago, so your rain cooled at 75 degrees, but we're a little warmer in Waynesboro, down into Millen. Temperatures in both areas 83 and 70s across much of South Carolina today. Right now 76 and mostly sunny there in Saluda. Here's our forecast tracker as we head into the weekend. As I mentioned, that area of low pressure is going to be moving away. A frontal boundary associated with that will also be moving away and bringing us a northerly wind at noon tomorrow, about 81 degrees, and that'll put us on track to have high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. So we'll be about 86 degrees by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, no rain out there tomorrow or tomorrow night. Saturday, maybe a stray afternoon shower, but if we get anything at all, it's going to be those typical summertime thunderstorms. There's no organized storm system that's going to give us rain for at least the next few days. Partly cloudy out there tonight, stray thunderstorms, 67 in Evans. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and drying out, 86 the high in Edgefield. And there's your 7-day forecast. Of course, this time of the year, when it dries out, it does warm up. And yes, Ashley, it will be a warm day on Saturday, up to 91 degrees.
All right, well, we need a little break after last night, don't we?
We do. We needed the rain, too, for a change. My grass is growing, and Saturday, I guess I'll be cutting.
Oh, ours is too. Yeah, my husband will be out there on Saturday. Thanks.
We had a warm day out there today, at least this morning. 64 is the average low, and that was your low this morning, but some cloud cover and a cooler northeasterly wind today kept the high temperature about 5 degrees below average. The record high for today, 103. That happened back in 1985. Our viewer photo today is from Evans, the Sleeks family. Took a photo that says it all. This 5-inch rain gauge pretty much topped off there at about 5 inches. All of that rain fell between about 1 and 5 o'clock this morning, and that's why that flash flood warning was in effect out there earlier this morning. Nothing like that for the next few days. Officially at the airport, about a 1/2 inch of rain fell at Augusta Regional Airport, 46 hundredths. Add that to the rain we got yesterday, and that deficit looks a lot better now at 65 hundredths of an inch. But the Savannah River is up about 6 feet. We'll have to keep an eye on that the next few days. We're keeping an eye on the radar out there for tonight, but so far we are dry here in the CSRA. The bulk of the rain and the rain chances have moved to the east, and we're going to be talking about mostly dry weather for a few days. 20% chance of rain this evening in Thompson, your low 62, 65 in Waynesboro. Tomorrow, rain-free, a mostly sunny day with good low humidity. 87 the high in Barnwell, about 87 in Warrenton. We'll get to dry out some on Friday, mostly cloudy in the morning, but no rain, 63. Sunny and dry for the afternoon. Highs tomorrow in the mid to upper 80s. The forecast for Lake Thurman looking pretty good. UV index is very high at a 10. We'll have a north wind at 5 to 10. The water temperature nice and warm at 83. Lake level still looking pretty good at about 330 feet. There is your 7-day forecast. Less rain means more heat this time of the year. 91 on Saturday.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you back here at 11. Have a good night.